right, children. It's time for bed now.
Mommy, Mommy, Mommy! Mommy, Mommy! Mommy, Mommy! Please play with us, Mommy! Please play with us, Mommy!
But children, don't you realize that it's late and it's time to go to sleep?
I don't want to go to sleep! I don't want to go to sleep! Please, Mommy, tell us a story!
I want an adventure story, please, Mom.
All right, I'll tell you a story, but I want you to promise me you'll go right to sleep when the story's over. Do you understand?
Yay! Mom's going to tell us a story, a good adventure story.
Well then, once upon a time, there was a brother and a sister who were smart and brave, lovely and lively, and they shared many wonderful adventures.
Hi, I'm Doby. Nice to meet ya.
Hi, I'm Daisy. So glad you're here!
I'm Daisy's brother. We like adventures. Do you? Great! You like adventures too.
Wow! What a beautiful view from this place! Butterflies and fairies play with flowers, and the big tree with clouds above. We come together to dance and sing. We're happy 'cause we haven't one single care. Let's go through the world together, sharing all its joy. And we love to hear stories our mommy loves to tell.
This is Monkey's house. Let's stop by and ask to play with him. Monkey, what's the matter?
There was a great big meteor shower last night, and my roof got damaged from the meteors.
Oh, what a shame!
I have to do some cleaning now. After that, I'll have to find some material to repair the roof. But I'm afraid I won't be able to get it done before sunset.
Why not let us help you? We could do things separately. Don't even worry about it.
Really? Thank you so much.
How badly was Monkey's roof damaged in the meteor shower? Maybe we should have a look at the damage before we start. Oh, there's a big hole in the roof. It's in the shape of a rectangle.
But it's so high up on Monkey's roof. We'll have to climb up to repair it.
But what materials shall we use to repair Monkey's roof?
I know. We need blocks of wood, a hammer, and a ladder. And the ladder should be tall enough for us to reach the roof.
Monkey, don't worry about a thing. You can continue cleaning. We'll find some blocks of wood, a hammer, and a ladder for you.
Okay. I'll be waiting right here for you.
Let's go look for them now. Okay, let's go.
Bye-bye.
Doby, where can we find some blocks of wood, a hammer, and a ladder?
When we don't know how to solve a problem, who should we ask for help?
Wow, magic pen!
You're right, Magic Pen. Let's call him together. Magic Pen, we need your help. Magic Pen! We need your help! Magic Pen! We need your help!
Hi, I'm Magic Pen. Nothing I don't know and nothing I can't do. Hi, my name is Magic Pen. Glad to help. I'm Magic Pen. Daisy, Doby, and Parrot want to help Monkey to find some tools to repair his roof. They'll need blocks of wood, a hammer, and a ladder. Blocks of wood can be found near Uncle Rooster's house in the forest. A hammer can be found in Rabbit Jack's pumpkin field. He has a lot of nice tools there. And the ladder can be found right here in the park. Please tell Daisy and Doby. Forest. Pumpkin field. Park. Repeat after me. Forest. Pumpkin field. Park. Forest. Pumpkin field. Park. Can you remember that? See you next time.
We need blocks of wood, a hammer, and a ladder.
Do you remember where we can find all the tools that we need?
First, we need to go to Uncle Rooster's house in the forest and ask him for the blocks of wood. Then we need to find a hammer in Rabbit Jack's pumpkin field.
And finally, a nice tall ladder can be found in the park.
Repeat after us. Forest. Pumpkin field. Park.
Forest.
Pumpkin field. Park.
Okay, let's go!
Forest.
Pumpkin field.
Park. Forest.
Pumpkin field. Park.
Forest.
Pumpkin field.
Park.
We're now in the forest. Uncle Rooster is right over there.
Let's go over to him.
Uncle Rooster! Hello!
Hello, my dear. Hello, Doby. What can I do for you?
Could you please give us some blocks of wood, Uncle Rooster? We need some to repair the damage to Monkey's roof.
Yes, of course. Oh, I have a lot of blocks of wood here. What kind of blocks do you need?
Wow! There are a lot of wood blocks in different shapes. Which shape of wood do we need?
Do you remember what shape the hole in Monkey's roof is? That's right, a rectangle. We need to find the one in the shape of a rectangle.
Do you know which one is a rectangle? Is this block a rectangle? Is this block a rectangle? Monkey's roof! Uncle Rooster, we found a block of wood shaped like a rectangle.
Thank you, Uncle Rooster.
Thank you! Thank you!
Oh, you're welcome.
Bye-bye, Uncle Rooster.
Bye-bye.
We found a rectangle-shaped block of wood from Uncle Rooster's pile in the forest. Where do you think we should go next?
Pumpkin field! Pumpkin field! Pumpkin field! Pumpkin field! We have to go to Rabbit Jack's pumpkin field. There are a lot of nice tools there.
That's where we can find a hammer to use for the repairs. Okay, let's go!
Forest!
Pumpkin field! Park!
Park!
Forest!
Pumpkin field! Park!
Forest! Pumpkin field! Park! We're right at the entrance to the pumpkin field.
Let's go inside and look for Rabbit Jack now.
Come on!
Come on!
Rabbit Jack! Rabbit Jack!
Doby, Daisy, and Parrot, how are you? What can I do for you today?
We need to find some tools to repair Monkey's damaged roof. Do you have a hammer here?
I do. I have all kinds of different hammers around here. Come with me. Take a look. Which one do you want?
Which size hammer and nail do we need? Can you tell us? Let's have a look at all these different kinds of hammers and see which one can help us.
Is this a suitable hammer? No, it's too big and heavy. We couldn't lift it. Is this a suitable hammer? No, it's too small for us. Is this a suitable hammer? Yes, it's perfect for us. We can use it to fix the roof. That's great. We found the right hammer to do our repairs.
Can we borrow the hammer on the right, Rabbit Jack?
No problem. Please take it. I hope it comes in handy.
Thank you, Rabbit Jack.
You're both welcome. I should get back to work. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Where shall we go next, Doby?
We got a rectangle of wood from Uncle Rooster in the forest. Then we borrowed the right size hammer from Rabbit Jack in the pumpkin field. Next, we should go to the park. Right, Parrot?
Park! Park! Magic Pen told us we could find a ladder in the park.
Let's go look for that ladder right now. Okay,
Let's go!
So they think they're just gonna have fun in the park, do they?
Forest. Pumpkin field. Park. Forest.
Pumpkin field. Park.
Forest. Pumpkin field. Park. Look! The park is over there.
We're finally at the park. 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 Park.
Let's go find the right-sized ladder in the park. Monkey is probably wondering where we are.
Okay, let's go. Where is the ladder?
Let's look for it separately, shall we?
That's a good idea.
Okay, let's go!
I'm going to take the ladder away, and you can't stop me.
I see the ladder. It's over there. Daisy, Parrot, come on!
Let's go now, Parrot.
Okay.
That's great. We found the ladder.
Let's bring the ladder back to Monkey's house.
Huh? That mushroom looks a little strange.
Oh, it's Bad Caesar. He's gonna cause trouble.
He wants to take the ladder away.
So you can see me, eh? Well, I'm gonna take the ladder away.
We can't let him take it away. Let's all say Bad Caesar, go away to chase him away.
Bad Caesar, go away. Bad Caesar, go away.
Now it's your turn. Please say it again.
Well, I'll be back.
We chased Bad Caesar away.
That's great. We got the block of wood from Uncle Rooster in the forest. After that, we went to the pumpkin field and borrowed a hammer from Rabbit Jack. And now we found a ladder in the park. We have all the tools we need to repair Monkey's roof.
Now let's go back to Monkey's house and help him repair the roof.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's all pitch in, lend Monkey a hand. His roof needs repair, something he hadn't planned. Climb up the ladder, bring wood block and hammer. When we patch the roof, it won't leak anymore.
That's great! My roof has been repaired! Thank you very much!
Our pleasure.
And in the end, Doby, Daisy, and Parrot repaired the roof on Monkey's house, and he was very happy.
That's great. Monkey's house was repaired.
I love this story. They did something good.
Let me ask you, children, Do you remember what happened to Doby and Daisy in today's adventure?
I know! They helped Monkey to repair the roof. Before that, they needed to find some tools. There were blocks of wood, a hammer, and a ladder. Everything they needed to do the job.
And where did they find the tools, children?
They got a block of wood from Uncle Rooster in the forest. It was a rectangle.
Is this block a rectangle? Is this block a rectangle?
Uncle Rooster, we found a block of wood shaped like a rectangle. And then they went to the pumpkin field. They borrowed a nice hammer from Rabbit Jack. It was perfect for the job.
I hope it comes in handy.
Thank you, Rabbit Jack.
And what else? Where did they find the tall ladder for Monkey's house?
In the park!
They found a very tall ladder that can help them reach the roof of Monkey's house. Bad Caesar,
So
on
you
the
can
other
see
hand,
me,
wanted
eh?
to steal
Well,
it.
I'm gonna take the ladder
Bad
away.
Caesar, go away.
Well, I'll be back.
That's right! How clever you are! Good job! Well, that's the story for today. Now it's time to go to sleep. Do you have anything to tell Mommy before going to sleep?
Good night, Mom!
Good night, Mom.
Good night.
爱听故事，爱玩游戏，Disy and Doby 还有 ABC， 在森林里充满神奇，Funny Happy 大家一起。
有没有信心？有。Ready?
Yes.
Come on. Let's go party!
在广阔的土地上，知识能让我们成长，在蔚蓝的天空飞翔。Sunshine, Rainbow， 我的向往。听听故事，做做游戏，Disy and Doby 还有 ABC， 做个朋友，保守秘密，Funny Happy 大家一起，在广阔的